Morning guys, it is a Sunday morning. I'm off to work to do a demo, and I got the big full-on mast today because we got another sandstorm. Let me show you, hopefully you can see it. It's not as bad as last time, but as you can see, you can't see any of the buildings right in the background. It's pretty windy, it looks like I'm crying. Yeah, I mean the last one I showed was pretty bad. This one's quite light, but it is a sandstorm. You can probably just see the sun, the blue sun. I don't know if you can see that, but you can probably hear the wind. Yeah, especially at that point. Gotta look. And it's crazy because yesterday it was sunny, blue skies, beautiful. Now, pretty horrendous. And hopefully it won't get worse. Oh, I just want to show you something. Look at this tree. See that tree with a pointed bit? Believe it or not, that is a telephone aerial. You know, like we have back in our country, the size of a tree. Man, you don't even get away with it when you see that very pointy tip. Anyway, smash that like button and tickle that little subscribe button. I just want to say hi to everybody and just show you how great these sandstorms are.